Okay, this is a video that's going to feature the BWT benchmark system, but first the required government disclaimers that this video is for educational purposes only and that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Okay, so the benchmark system is a set it and forget it system. You don't have to learn a lot of parameters or figure out what the system is doing or how to trade it. You can simply plot it on your chart and trade it whenever you feel comfortable. The benchmark system trades on the EMini S&P 500. I have three charts here showing various configurations. One is scaling out of the position with 5 contracts. One is scaling out with just 2 contracts, and one is all in, all out. So I'm going to show you the trades going back a month or so, and then I'm going to show you the performance report right now. So this is 5 contracts scaling out, meaning taking profits on a couple of your contracts and then letting 1 or 2 of them run. So over a 14-year period, the performance has been 681,000 over that time, and we also took into account commissions here of 84,000, and this is the annual performance. It hasn't had a losing year in almost 15 years. This is our monthly performance. So 5,700 for the month of March. We still have a couple of days left in March, and so on. Now, while we do see the occasional losing month here, just a reminder that the system hasn't had a losing year. So trading a system like this, you have to take the good and the bad. No system wins 100% of the time. So let's look at some of the trades this year. This is kind of the end of January here. I'm just going to show you what the system looks like. The system has the ability to catch a trending move. It has the ability to reverse, like you see here. So it's not really a trend following system. It can catch the trend, but it can also trade in a sideways market and catch a long or a short trade. Like this particular day here was not a trending day, yet it caught a nice short trade. So this is getting into February. There will be days that the system does not take a trade, but it averages almost a trade daily. You can see that it has the ability to catch the really big move like this and also catch it on a pullback. Here's a day where it caught both short and a long trade. This is kind of a day that wasn't a trend, but it caught both the short and the long at both the low and the high of the day. This was the FOMC meeting on the 18th. Caught the huge breakout. This trade was a 30-point winner. I'm sorry. This trade was 40 points in the EMini S&P, a rare feat. It also goes to show that you need to take every trade when you trade a system like this. as you may miss the one that makes you the money for the month. And this is the last couple of days. This is Friday, March 27th. I'm recording this on Saturday, March 28th. This was the day before, and then the day before that was another really large winner. The short here was at 2084.75, and it closed at 2052. So this was a move of about 30 points on this day. Okay, this system here is 5 contracts all in, all out. And it actually makes the most money. It makes more money than scaling out, albeit not that much, but it really shows up on months like this. So looking at the monthly, going all in, all out with 5 contracts, earned almost twice as much money in the last 3 months as scaling out of your position. But also the sacrifice is that your win rate, even all in, all out, is still a respectable almost 56%. Very, very good. The drawdown all in, all out is only about $6,000 per contract. That's really respectable. This is the drawdown for all trades. And then the equity curve, quite spectacular. I wanted to point out the drawdown on the scale out mark setup. The drawdown here is only 24,000. That's less than $5,000 per contract. Very respectable. Also, considering going back 15 years, that's excellent. And then finally, I have a 2 contract setup here. So the system is suitable even for the small trader trading 2 contracts. This is scaling out at taking 1 contract off at 9 points. Okay, so here's your monthly performance. Even 2 contracts, taking 1 off at 9 points, has had a very good performance thus far. Up 4,000 this month and last month, and an average of 4,000 a month for the last 3 months. And at trading 2 contracts, we're averaging 62% profitable. And here's our equity curve on 2 contracts, going back 15 years. Well, that's it for the benchmark system. If you want to find out more about this, please give us a call at Blue Wave Trading or send us an email. Our number and email address is on our website at bluewavetrading.com.